Greetings to Madam Suhada. I am Sarnipriya Rajendran from class DCE2A and my metric number is 33DCE20F2006. Today, I would like to present practical task 2 about severity of quenching. The objective of this experiment is to study the hardness of medium carbon steel sample and their microstructure under following conditions, such as received, annealed, normalized, water quench, ice quench, and oil quench. The apparatus we use in these experiments are 6 medium carbon steel sample, furnace at 910 degrees Celsius, tongs, Rockwell hardness testing equipments, beakers, oil and ice quenching mediums, optical microscope, polishing machine with abrasive, belt grinders, abrasive paper, flat glass plate with wooden framework, electric hot air blower, cotton, needle reagent, Rockwell hardness testing machine. In step 1, we obtain 6 identical samples of medium carbon steel and keep one sample aside as the control sample. In step 2, we austenize all 5 samples for 30 minutes at 910 degrees Celsius. Then we wait for 30 minutes. The next step is we remove all the samples from the furnace and quench them in different mediums. First, we put in oil. Second, in water. Third, in brine. Fourth, at room temperature. And the last sample we cool in the furnace till 400 degrees Celsius. All the samples are cooled from room temperature. Each sample is polished and microstructure is observed under the microscope as shown in the subsequent steps. Why samples are austenized for 30 minutes? To uniform the austenization. In step 4, we obtain a flat surface on the specimen by belt grind. In step 5, we support a polished paper of 1/0 fineness on a flat glass plate. Then we polish the specimen rubbing on forward direction only. Then we move to the next fine paper 2/0 and 3/0 fineness once the scratch on the specimen are uniform. While changing from one paper to another paper, the specimens and your hand should be cleaned, free from abrasive or previous paper, and the specimen turned through 90 degrees, so the scratches from the previous paper are at right angle to scratch from the next paper. Then we finish the polishing of the specimen on 4/0 abrasive paper. Then we wash hands and the specimens only on the forward direction. Now we do the fine polishing on a disc polishing unit. After fine polishing, we have to clean off the polished surface of the specimens with water and dry it with an electric hot air blower. In step 8, each specimens with 2% neutral reagent by swabbing for a few seconds. Then we have to wash and dry it. Now we have to examine the specimen under the microscope and observe all the structure feature. This one is for a needle. At 500 zooming 100. Ice quenched. Oil quenched. 500 is a closer look. Water quenched. In a closer look, which medium gives the most severe quench? Ice brim. In step 10, after noting all the microstructural features of the sample, we have to perform the Rockwell hardness test using cone indenter for all the 6 samples. In step 11, the handmill is turned until the specimen is in contact with the indenter and the pointer of the smaller dial gauge reach the red dot, so that the minor load of 10 kg is applied. The minor load of 10 kg is applied. Since the major load is set and the monitor is switched on, the hand lever is kept in a load position for 15 seconds. The reading is noted using a C scale. And 15 seconds we have to unload. This is the result we obtain for all the 6 specimens. From the observation, as annealed, normalized, ice quenched, oil quenched, water quenched, as received is 15 Rc, annealed, which is cooled in the furnace until it reaches 400 degrees Celsius, is 37 Rc, normalized 41 Rc, water quenched 51 Rc, and ice quenched is 60 Rc, oil quenched is 55 Rc. The hardness obtained can be correlated with the microstructure observation. Higher fractions of marstenite are observed in better quenchants, thereby resulting in higher hardness value. You can see it's 20 micrometer. That's all from me. Thank you.